Here's how you can use Roblox Quick Login feature. First, you need to go ahead and launch your web browser or the application, log into your account. Then tap on the gear icon in the top right corner of your screen. And there you'll see the option of quick sign in from the drop down menu. Go ahead and tap on that. This will take you to the page where you can enter the code displayed on the Roblox login page on your phone. The mobile device screen will be on the same page. Enter the code displayed on the browser where you are not currently logged into Roblox, and then tap on enter over here, and you will need to confirm your login. The app will display your location. You can press and confirm, and your desktop will also load a confirmation message. Press done, and then you'll be automatically logged in. It's that easy to use Quick Login on your computer. If you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.